Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this class we are going to learn spoken English vocabularies for daily uses. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First word is dilemma. What does mean of it? Dilemma means we have confusion but between two things. Okay? What does mean of dilemma? Dilemma word indicates that we are having confusion but in two things. There is a story. Rashmika has been busy nowadays because exam will take place soon. One day her father told her to complete an important work. She spoke that okay papa I will, but her mother come to give some dresses for ironing at the same moment. What does mean of it? That Rashmika has to work, one of her father, one of her mother. So she is having confusion between two things, that which works should be done for the first time. She was in dilemma between work between parents. Okay, next sentence. Rashmika doesn't know which work to do because she is in dilemma. Got it? Okay, what you have to do while watching video, do not write something, take screenshot only and you will learn after completing the video. Okay, next word is big fix. What does mean of it? Big fix means we have confusion between many things, like there was competition in school, everyone has given their best in competition, and the end 5 students got selected for the top 5, but condition was there that one was to be selected for winning prize. Okay, but all 5 were extremely great and they all performed gratefully. It was very tough to get one out of them. Judges were in big fix because they didn't get to choose one of them. Got it? Because they were very confused among 5 performance. So that is why we can use big fix for that situation. If we want to use dilemma, that would be using for two situations, but big fix is used for many situations. Okay, and next word is ordeal. What does mean of it? Extremely serious condition. Okay, a condition which goes on for the long time, very bad experience, like COVID-19. It is very ordeal, very extremely serious condition. So whole world has been suffering from COVID-19. This is very ordeal. So we can use ordeal in extremely serious conditions. Okay, so it is very easy. You do not have to write while watching the video. You have to take screenshot of it and you can learn it after watching the video. Okay, next word is get rid of. What does mean of it? To leave something which is very bad habit or bad things, like this picture, simple home workout to get rid of belly fat. Like in before condition is very plumpy, it is having a belly here, and after that he is very fittest. Okay, so a boy used to eat food whole day. He didn't used to exercise and he would sleep and eat. He kept doing same. After all, he got fat belly. So sentence are here. We want to get rid of COVID-19. Yeah, you know people that COVID-19 is very extremely bad condition. I mean ordeal condition. So we want to get rid of it. Okay, So you should get rid of your bad habit. Sentence is used very easily. Okay, so in this condition we can use get rid of, like I am fond of tea, but it is not good to having tea for whole day, so I should get rid of it. Okay, and next and last word is hook and crook. What does mean of it? Do something in any condition. Okay, like sentence is here: a person has been trying to target midpoint of board for a week, which is shown in picture. Okay, but he couldn't do. He got failed all the time, and now he decided to complete in any condition. Okay, you got it. So here we can use hook and crook. Like he decided that he will complete the target by hook and crook. Okay, got it. So in this condition we can use hook and crook. So we can use also in daily life, in daily uses. So these are the 5 words: hook and crook, get rid of it. Second one is ordeal, means extremely serious condition. Weak fix means having confusion between many things, no, among many things. And dilemma means to choose two things, I mean having confusion between two things. Okay, so till then, bye bye, thanks so much. We will meet in another video. Thanks so much.